just going to take a look at some tabletop rocks. And the idea of this is to try and stretch out the pecs and the biceps just a little bit. There's some different variation here. So I'm going to start with the fingers back, okay? Now as I pop up, I want to try to retract the shoulder blades. So I'm pushing up, hips are up, retracting the shoulder blades, and then I'm going to rock. I'm trying to take the knees out over the toes, push, push, keep the hips up, push, push in this position. Shoulder blades are retracted. Try to push the chest up, and as you rock forward, you're going to start to feel a bit of a stretch through here. We shouldn't feel pain in the elbow, so don't start to push too far and feel the stretch in the lower part of the bicep. This is not a good position, okay? We want all the stretch to be sort of in this area here. Yeah? We can also start to change the hand position. So with the fingers back, this is open. Now I'm going to put the fingers to the side. We can go the same position again. We lift up, retract the shoulder blades, and then we start to rock with the fingers out. This is going to target slightly different fibers, okay? The last position we can move to is with the fingers forward. This won't hit the bicep as much, but it's actually really going to start to get stuck in to the wrist and the mobility of the wrist. So with the fingers forward, pop up and squeeze, and the range of motion will be less. But now I'm going to start to feel this more in the forearm as I rock backwards and forwards, okay? So you'll feel this more along here as we start to stretch the wrist in those positions, okay? Typically I'll go for 60 seconds, 90 seconds, possibly 2 minutes of just rocking backwards and forwards in that nice dynamic stretch. Like I said, it's great for pecs, great for biceps, and getting stuck into those forearms can help a lot with overhead position, a lot with gymnastics positions.